days, I read these books for hours. Katniss and Peeta are a very great couple. I'm reading one, and then I'll read two. Mockingjays are super cool. These are great books. I recommend them. Harry Potter was gone and went. I love The Hunger Games with Katniss, Peeta, and even Gale. Yeah. It is reaping day and everyone wants to stay at their districts instead of the games. Yeah. They'll throw their bows and their knives and most of them will die. It starts with 24, then just one. I love The Hunger Games with Katniss, Peeta, and even Gale. Yeah. The Hunger Games.